A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students of 11th class, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, today on 3rd of June 2021, we are going to discuss the another important chapter of unit first, that is the kingdom fungi. Dear students, you know, so far we have completed the detailed study of two kingdoms. One was the kingdom Monera, and the second kingdom which we have completed yesterday in our yesterday's topic, this lecture, that was the kingdom Protista. And today we will start a new kingdom, that is the kingdom Fungi. So our today's topic is kingdom Fungi. These fungi are achlorophyllous eukaryotic thallophytes. Dear students, you should know that these fungi are achlorophyllous, means they do not have the chlorophyll which is responsible for manufacturing food during the process of photosynthesis, and this chlorophyll is lacking in these fungi. And you should remember also that these fungi are eukaryotic. They are not prokaryotic, but these are eukaryotic thallophytes. This is the first introductory part of this kingdom fungi, that they are achlorophyllous eukaryotic thallophytes. These form a large group which includes more than 1 lakh species. These form a large group which includes more than 1 lakh species, and by this you should remember that what is the importance of these kingdom fungi, as near about 1 lakh species are included in this group. The branch of botany dealing with study of fungi is known as mycology. You know that the branch of biology dealing with the plants is called botany, and the branch of biology dealing with animals is called zoology, and likewise the branch of botany dealing with study of fungi is known as mycology. So it is the mycology in which these fungi are included, and the study of these fungi is called mycology. The first systematic description of fungi was given by an Italian botanist whose name was Pier Antonia Machelli in 1729. The first systematic description, that means the fungi was first of all described by an Italian botanist whose name was Pier Antonia Machelli, and the year was 1729. Thus he is called the founder of mycology. So you should remember here that the founder of mycology is Pier Antonia Machelli. Now we will study the general characters of this kingdom fungi. The first general character we will take the habit. What is the habit of these fungi? Thallus is called mycelium. The thallus of fungi is called mycelium. It is made up of thread-like filaments called hyphae. So you should remember here what is mycelium and what is hyphae. Thallus of fungi is called mycelium, while it is made up of thread-like filaments called hyphae. The hyphae are septate or aseptate. The cell wall is mostly made up of chitin, chitin, chitin. As we have seen so far in another kingdoms that the cell wall was made up of cellulose, while as in these fungi the cell wall is mostly made up of chitin. Now the second and this character of these fungi is the habitat. Habitat means रहने की जगह, ये कहाँ पर रहते हैं. Fungi occur almost everywhere in nature. इसका मतलब ये है कि जो फंजाई का ग्रुप है, किंगडम है, ये हर एक जगह पाए जाते हैं. They grow in water. They can be found in water, in soil, air, on food, leather and cloth, etc. These are the places where these fungi are found. So they grow in water, soil, air, on food, leather and clothes. They can also be seen on our hair, mouth and eyes. These are the habitats of these fungi. Now, the third general character is the nutrition. How they get their food or how they feed. Nutrition. Regarding this nutrition character, all fungi are characterized by the absence of chlorophyll. इसका मतलब ये है कि जो क्लोरोफिल है ये इन फंजी में नहीं होता है. All fungi are characterized by the absence of chlorophyll. जब क्लोरोफिल ही इनमें नहीं है, that means they cannot manufacture their own food. Hence, they lack the ability to manufacture their own food. क्लोरोफिल न होने की वजह से ये अपना गुज़ा खुद नहीं बना सकते हैं. They depend on dead decaying organic matter for their food. So how they feed or what is their nutrition? You should remember here, they depend on dead decaying organic matter for their food. This food is stored in the form of glycogen and oil. The fungi store food in the form of glycogen and oil. On the basis of food habits, fungi can be grouped into following three classes. Here you should remember that on the basis of food habits means how they feed, how they get their food, what are their food habits. These fungi are grouped into following three classes. Number one class is the parasites. Number second is the saprophytes. Number third is the symbionts. These are the three classes of these fungi. And these three classes we will discuss in our next lecture tomorrow, inshallah. And in this way, we have completed our today's topic, Kingdom Fungi, and we have seen what are the general characters of these fungi. And so far we have studied three characters of these fungi. One is the habit, second is the habitat, and third one is the nutrition. And then on the basis of this nutrition, they have the three classes: parasites, saprophytes, and symbionts, which we will discuss, upon which we will throw light in our next lecture tomorrow, inshallah. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.